Hi.
Hey everybody, it's Dan Sparrow, www.theclinicaltrialsguru.com. I'm here with today's guest guru, Nasilia. She's done clinical trials in the past. She's just going to share a little bit about her experiences and we'll just get into whatever else she wants to talk about. So, Nasilia, how did you first get started with clinical trials?
Well, I met someone and he introduced me to about the clinical trial, and I came. I liked it, and I come every month.
Very good. Now, what were your first, because before doing this particular study, you haven't done any studies
No,
before, right?
no, this is
So,
my
what were
first
your
one.
thoughts when your friend told you about clinical trials? What was going through your head? Like, what were you
Well,
thinking?
they're gonna shoot me up with a lot of medicine, and
Right.
but no, it's not like that at all.
So you kind of had like the whole guinea pig, like they're gonna use me as a lab
Mhm.
rat and
Yeah,
see what happens.
exactly.
And so you discovered that it's
Just answer questions.
so for the most part it's like boring stuff, right? It's like you come in, answer questions, it's nothing dramatic, like
No, not at all.
but some studies are, but in this particular case, I do know the study she's talking about, and it's yeah, it's relatively easy. It's
Is
pretty
it?
simple, right?
Okay. Yes,
Well, I'm
it
not the one doing it, but
is.
so let's see, because a lot of our viewers out there they don't know too much about clinical trials. What can they expect? Let's say on their first visit.
To be here for about a couple hours, answer questions, and prescription, and that's it.
Okay.
They feed you.
Hmm.
You know.
Very good. Would you recommend other
Yes,
people to do clinical
yes,
trials?
I would.
Hmm. Would you consider doing another one?
Yes, I would.
Okay. So obviously, Nastalia has had great experiences. Mm, have you had any thoughts about maybe, uh, about doing another study? But let's say someone comes up to you and says, "Hey, what do you think about this particular clinical trial? What would you recommend they do?" Let's say it's not the exact same study you did, but a different one. What would you kind of recommend them?
I would recommend them to finish their first study before they go into the next one.
Yeah, that's important. A
Right,
lot of people are trying to do like too many studies at the same
right,
time, and that's
right.
there's really no way for people to catch that, but it could be dangerous.
Yes,
So you definitely want to do your homework before getting into a clinical trial.
right,
And see, we have Nasalia. She was, you know, never done a clinical trial. She had the same fears that everyone else had, and it turns out that they were just fears, right? Because
right.
when you actually went ahead and did it,
It was pretty good.
pretty good. If nothing else, maybe a little boring, right?
Right.
All right. Well, thank you to Nasilia, and if you have any questions for her or for myself, just email me. And the website is www.theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Once again, that website is www.theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Thank you, Nasilia.
Bye bye.